problem has created one of the biggest environmental threats to our planet.
No plastic straw!
Hi everyone, my name is Rachel E. I'm 18 years old and I'm a student majoring in communication sciences, and I'm here to educate everyone who watched this video about zero waste and the impact on the environment. So what is zero waste? To understand this better, let us look at the underlying problem. So we currently live in a linear trust economy where things are produced, used, and then disposed. As we produce more, we continue to use and dispose more trash. This trash ends up in the landfill and ocean that pollute the environment. And devastating effect on marine life. Plastic waste is estimated to kill 100 marine life and 1 million seabirds a year. This is not a fair sustainable process as more trash gets created every day. Zero waste lifestyle aims to create a circular economy by eliminating the need of throwing away trash at any point. However, we currently throw away tons of trash every day that gets piled up and pollutes the environment.
Hi, I'm Dinda Khairunnisa. I'm 19 years old. I am a student majoring in communication science and I'm here to present about zero waste. But there are steps that can be taken to improve the situation. Number 1, avoiding single-use plastic. Single-use products like plastic bags, straws, and bottles have made our life so much easier, but they are a major problem to the environment. It is best to use reusable products rather than disposable ones to avoid this. Number 2, using low-waste products. Low-waste products are coming up in the market like bamboo toothbrushes, organic soap bars, and steel straws that are great alternatives to wasteful products. Number 3, making compost from organic waste. We create tons of biodegradable waste every day. This can be easily be diverted from landfills by using them to make rich compost for plants. Number 4, recycling. Recycling is a great way to reuse results rather than throwing them away to be left unused. Forever, while there is still a long way to go achieve a perfect zero waste world and healthy environment.
Plastic pollution has become a global concern. Single-use plastic are the most insane things ever. We make this material that lasts hundreds of years just to use it once. Let's implement a zero-waste lifestyle. We guide few people to doing zero waste perfectly. We need many people to doing it imperfectly. So guys, this is the end of this video.
Thank you for watching and bye bye.